Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets are all higher to get the day started so far this morning, led by soybeans to the upside. Got a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday going on. One thing we're going to keep our eye on moving forward is February is the month that crop insurance values are set for spring crops. So corn and soybeans will be the main thing we focus on here. It's based on the December closing price for corn and the November closing price for soybeans. So if you're a producer and you're watching this, you already know about that. Something pivotal to your operation based on the insurance values you can potentially get, because it's based on the average closing price for the month of February, again for December corn and November beans. We closed yesterday on December corn around 401, and then I believe November beans closed at 942 and a quarter. So that will average out throughout the month of February. So keep your eye tuned on that. I know Kevin Van Trump in the Van Trump report is keeping track of that in there as well. So I know a lot of you out there probably subscribe to that as well. If you do, you can definitely keep track of it there, and I'll periodically give you updates on that moving forward. So we've seen a lower dollar so far this morning, so that's obviously pretty good for commodity prices going higher. We're seeing a rebound not just in the grain markets, but also the outsides as well, as we haven't seen a lower dollar in a little while. So that's going to provide a little bit of a pop. The dollar continues its strong rally. That's obviously going to create some pretty big headwinds for the crops here in the United States, corn, soybeans, and wheat, to really rally or continue the rally that we've had here. I know a lot of the traders and producers I've talked to are looking at today as a good opportunity to either price some grain or get short. So of course, that's something you need to decide for yourself and talk to someone about. But I know a lot of traders out there are looking at it as this, because fundamentally nothing has really changed on the this is supply and demand front, or what we've got coming down the pipe. So speaking of information coming down the pipe, you've got the WASDE report coming out a week from today. You'll start to see some estimates out on that. I believe Informa is releasing their estimates around 10:30 today. So that could provide a little bit of trading fodder for the market when that comes out. So keep your eye on that around 10:30 Central, as that's expected to be released then. So it's really all we've got for today. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.